Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu na Oraifite ma ọ bụ Ikpọmaka Jigo. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa gbaa afa miri emi dịkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ Dreams and Reality Part 2. I want to watch the Part 1. You are missing something. Now, you watch Part 1 and continue with Part 2. Ka anyị gwazie with the solutions. Gịnị ka anyị na-ekwu maka ya? Ihe anyị na-ekwu maka ya bụ na dreams are real, and the dreams are meant for you to be pre-warned of the as in for you to be pre-warned on the pending doom. And the dreams, whatever that was shown to you in dream, can actually be averted, or if it's positive thing, there's something you must do to make them come to the world of reality. Ọ bụkwa na ịbụ onye na-alụba ajọ nlọ, imekwazie ka ịmara o nwere ihe ị kwesịrị ime ka daba ajọ nlọ anwa ị na-ada alụba ka ọ kwụsị. O nwere ike ihe kpatara iji alụ ajọ nlọ bụ because of na enwere negative vibrations dị na be gị. Yes, enwere negative vibrations dị na be gị, and ọ bụrụ na be gị na arụta ajọ nlọ, nwere one or two ị ga na-eme from time to time ka ị kwụsị ịla ajọ nlọ. Yes, enwere some cleansing ị kwesịrị ime, personal cleansing and the house cleansing ka ọ kwụsị. Gwakwazie gị na nlọ is for bụ ọpụpụ mkpụrụ obi na obi mmadụ na-apụtụ obere na ahụ mmadụ in order to be able to travel to other worlds to get some certain information for your own benefit. Yes, he wrote a story of Joseph in the Bible. Law is actually to pre-warn you. However, or if you don't get it, you forget it. Yes. So, manabo de bro onye na-alụ nlọ ma ọ bụ na ị nwere any form of etu esi ezigo ozi, then the man that something is missing. Ihe ndị a bụ ihe a ga-elebara anya n'ụbọchị taa. Now, before we dive into today's lecture, important announcements. Echefutara anyị na month of November. Our monthly ritual for the month is still ongoing. You can join us anywhere you are all over the world. The friends of the temple, children of the temple, members of Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission and Consecratory Group. Ejegoro in the temple, chụọ aja go for kwubi okwu n'isi ndị sonyela all over the world. Otu aka anyị ga-eme gide till the last of the month, anyị ga-eje na mmiri kpee ile ọma n'aha mmadụ dum. Bịa na temple, chụọ aja to entities of powers. Jee n'ebe nchụaja gbuo ebulu mee saraka. Otu aka anyị si eme ya. So, ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ iso ya, ihe ị ga-eme, chat me on WhatsApp. Forward your 3 prayer requests. I ga-edebe n'altar. Na-achụ aja na ekwubi okwu n'afa gị. Then mezie token donation to the account number. Chat m na WhatsApp and one other details we need from you in order to book you. WhatsApp number ị ga-eji nweta mbụ bụ 0805 7837672. I repeat, 0805 7837672. Ma na ya na screen gị ga-afụ numbers ndị mkpọrọ. Now let's dive into today's lecture. I'm not too long, but pay attention, you will learn something. I will try to digress a little because of those people that did not join us yesterday program on the Afuboro, Nkuzi Basaro Reality and Dreams Part 1. Gịnị ka nchọ ka nkọwalụ gị bụ abịa m ka nkọwalụ gị na nlọ bụ part of human existence. Ọ bụ dreams is ihe na-eme n'ụwa mmụọ ka ọnọdụ si wee dịrị n'ụwa mmụọ. Dreams are actually for you to have a glance of your standing in the spiritual realm. O nwere ụmụ ihe ga na-egosi gị na mmụọ. Ọ bụrụ ihe ịgba ama that all is not well within their spiritual arena. No one more. And as you go now, this type of opportunity, dreams opportunity to save many people. Because more than they cook and mother that's your honor more that is not palatable. You can be pre-warned, fear the dreams, that there is this pending danger on your part, and one or two you must do in order to avert those danger from happening in the world of gross material. Yes. So nlọ bụ ihe dị mkpa. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-alọ nlọ ma ọ bụ na you can interpret them. Yes, interpreting dreams is gift. It's not meant for everybody. However, some people have this gift of dreaming and interpreting dreams. So whatever that it may, dreams will give you the earthly meaning to it. However, some people can still not decode it. But in dreams, because the voice and the language of the spirit is different from the language of the humans. However, if you are privileged that now when you are having these dreams, then you are lucky. And if you are a dreamer, you will come in contact one day when they will show you dreams or tell you some certain things that you will not understand, even the language. Or the person will be saying something, but you will not understand it. Yes, the spirit has their own language because the spirit makes use of the sound. Yes, spirit makes use of the sound. Signs. Yes, but sometimes our spiritual guide normally guide us in a way that those signs and sound, more they use, they can decode it by allowing us to understand it in the land and language of our birth. But know that dreams, the purpose of allowing you to dream about something is for you to be known that such a thing exists. Now, it left for you to make sure that if that dreams is not positive, if it's a negative dreams, is for pre-warn you to do one or two to avert the thing from happening in the world of the reality. Yes, they can see where Wabugi. All the things that have been happening in your life must have taken on forms. In spiritual realm, what works is forms. Even your actions, inactions, your deeds take on forms. Yes. And those forms will be like garbages, loads. Yes. That will be hindering you because you have to carry back your loads. One more. So, whenever you have a terrible dream about what will happen, don't take it for granted. Especially when their dreams are not just nleba. There's this category of dreams we categorize as nleba. And yesterday program, I told you why nleba do happen. Nleba do happen because there is this abnormalities that affected the nerves, the brain nerves, and therefore make you to see some certain things that is not real. They can see again our brain. Our dreams come from the waves in the brain, in the frontal brain, which is the intellectual brain, and the back brain, which is the spiritual brain. So what am I saying is this? That I have told you in my previous lecture that that why you do have dreams is because of detachment that exists between your body radiation and spiritual radiation. I told you before that for you to be alive in the land of the living, a kind of magnetic kind of magnet that will magnet their spiritual vibration and physical vibration, and that is the only thing that will make you to be living in the land of the living. So, and I told you that if for any reason the spiritual you is trapped by the body radiation that held the spiritual vibration so tight, that is why you see here on earth. Now, for whatever reason, maybe by age, accident, weakness, sickness, and whatever that made their body radiation to be weak, that is what will make the body, the spiritual vibration not to be held firmly. Then the spirit lives. Again, here why I'm digressing like this is because of those that did not watch my first lecture yesterday. Now, but if you are asleep, I told you that if whenever you are asleep, what it means is that because it's the body that is resting, the spirit doesn't rest. It's the body that rests. That is why some people will be arguing that using the word rest in peace is not actually the right word, because spirit doesn't rest. In the spiritual world, it's all about activities upon activities, activities upon activities, because no dull moment in creation. And there is nothing like stagnation. Yes, in the spiritual realm, you must be joyfully involved in spiritual activities, time one without end. Now, in the world of the physical, it's only is physical body that sleeps. Yes, because human body is given to you for you to be able to do the earthly work as a man or as a woman. So that using your body to do earthly work, you can exhaust you. So when you are doing those your earthly work, maybe you're a bricklayer, you are doing this one or what. So for the fact that during the days you engage your mind, your strength, your arms, legs, and everything into activities. At night, the body will like to rest for a while to recharge. Yes. And so that the body will be on a good state to face the next day. So human body is like a kind of rebooting. The same way when you overload your computer will begin to hang. Unless you refresh or reboot, that's it, restarting. Your computer will begin to work well again, because we allow it to reformat and rearrange the system. So whenever a human being is asleep, it's actually time to slow down the organs and cells in the body, because when you are asleep, not all the organs of the body are working optimally in full force. So it gives them opportunity to rest and they process themselves to face the next day. So at that particular time that the spirit in you, the body is resting, it doesn't radiate full current, then the spirit will use that opportunity to wander into astral world, astral kingdoms, astral realms, and the planes. I have told you in my previous lectures, in the spiritual realms, we have the realms, we have the planes, we have the astrals, we have the higher realms of the animistic, we have the realms of the spiritual. Then we have the realms of the higher realms of the primordial realms, where the primordial queen rules, and we have the throne of divinity and rest of them. All these are the planes and realms that human spirit dwells. So what I'm saying in essence is this: depending on the ability of this your spirit, that will determine when some of those spirits will take you to. I know some people that have really matured to some certain level, from time to time do experience astral projection, or some call it astral travel, or some call it soul travel. No matter whatever you call it, what it simple means is that there is some kind of exposure, yes, given to you by your spiritual forces. They took you to the unknown zone in order for you to explore and understand that there is other planes that exist, other realms, kingdoms, spirituality, and other device that exist, depending on your maturity. And don't forget, I told you that when you are maturing spiritually, sometimes you will be assigned another higher entities to join your chi, your guardian angel, in guiding you. By so doing, you are commanding at that particular time more spirits that are guiding you, because the more you are growing spiritually, the more higher entities are assigning to you based on your level at every given time. So what am I saying in essence is this: in dreams, you will be permitted to enter or experience those planes and those astral worlds that on a normal, as human being, you will not have the opportunity to go there. But when you are asleep in dreams, you have already discarded you have already dropped a little bit your earthly clock, the body that is of the earthly weight. Your spiritual you has the ability to travel because of the finest. It's lighter. So because it's the finest and lighter nature, your spirit can actually move or penetrate into kingdoms, planes, and what have you. But your earthly body is heavy, because your earthly body is of gross material. If you have missed my teaching where I told you about the astral formations, I made mention of that when you are coming from the ethereal world, coming to this gross material to reincarnate as human being. At that ethereal world coming to, because the ethereal world is the boundary between the gross material and the upper realms. Now, at that particular point, you are wearing the body given to you by your mama in the womb. Now, at that particular time, you are wearing the gross material body that is weighty enough. And because the body is weight, you will not be able to travel all this travel with their earthly body. That's why you will be asleep while their ethereal body, there is the another body, the spiritual body. Let me use the word so that you will follow. That this is spiritual body that accompany your spiritual self. So whenever you see the person, that's why you will be able to, in dreams, you witness the sudden appearance or visiting by your own grandfather or your father or your beloved one that passed on, maybe months, maybe years, but you will still be seeing the person in dream. Believe in me, you might be seeing the person might even appear to you with the dress he or she used to wear, or even the dress they wore the person the day the person was buried. Then you agree with me that that particular dress, no, in reality must have decayed in the grave. Yes, and even the person body is no longer intact. Yes, but have you wondered yourself why whenever you see the person in the dream, you still see the person putting on the dress you used to know the person with, and the person still be coming to you with a human shape? That body the person is wearing that time is not ordinary body. It's a ethereal body, their spiritual body. And that spiritual body sometimes you will not be able to touch, because that spiritual body in carnal as a human being, you will not be able to feel the spiritual body. Yes, unless if a highly developed human spirit. Then if you are touching the spirit, what you are touching is the spirit body, not the physical, because the person's physical body, it has been dropped via death in his grave or her grave. So the body you see the person operating in that dreams is not that flesh and blood you used to know the person. Instead, the person appeared to you, then dim the radiation for you to be able to recognize and come closer. That's why sometimes when you now want to hug the person in dream, the person might disappear. Yes, because you are in the carnal and you can't hold the ethereal body, the spiritual body. So that's to show you it's a dream. Yes. The person that is highly matured will be able to know that what you can actually touch is the ethereal body of the person, not the physical body, because the physical body is lying there in the person's grave. So are you following? So what I'm saying is that you develop to some certain level where whenever you are seeing these dreams, it's happening to you as if so clear, as if there is life experience. Yes. And some people in the spiritual realm, they're always active in the dream. They remain conscious in the dream. But some people in the dreams, they are so quiet. And note, if you are a very agile person in the physical, in the dreams, you're very agile. Yes. And again, there is some human spirit that are matured for a very long time that will we they will be in one place and their spirit will be traveling. I have already counted countless people that have crossed my path that will always tell you that this dream they had when they are facing so many challenges, and suddenly I appear. Many people do give me this testimony and they appear to them and tell them solution. Some will tell you that they saw themselves in a dream where they lost their path, they don't know where to follow again. Suddenly I appear there and tell them to follow this road. So before you know it, they woke up. Some will tell you where they have facing some challenges. I came to dream and defend them, tell them one or two things. Some will tell you where they are facing serious challenges and suddenly I appear there and serve them. Then these people are people that are connected with my vibration. These people are people that are connected to my existence. These people are, most of them are people that I have worked for. Some of them are people that have this personal love for me. For the fact that they have personal love for me and they have been longing for a day that they will be privileged to see me one on one. Some of these people with this kind of level of love, sometimes they have not seen me in the physical, but when they have challenge, it's like because of that love, that spiritual bonding that have been existing, I do come to their help to help them in dreams. Those things do happen. Some call it soul travel and whatever, but I can tell you, if you loved by your people Sometimes you see those people that really love you or longing to see you. Sometimes whenever they have problem, you will come from nowhere to save you because of that soul attraction that exists between you and the person. So whenever you are seeing dreams that is happening in your life, try to find what that dream stand for. Is it a good dream or negative dreams? And whenever you have a dream, maybe it's a positive one. Example, you had a dream where good things are there for you, or you saw yourself where you are giving bundles of money or bundle of wealth, or maybe bundle of carton of maybe box of gold filled with gold and other valuables, or even plenty money, and you wake up, you become a dreams. Go and look for Ojugo. Nweta Ojugo, chie n'anyanwụ. Remember, find out in your room the east, west, north, and south. It's very simple. In your house, the four corners of your room, wherever you face the east. Yes. For you to know this, in the morning, 8, 9, 10, within that time, look around your compound. You will see where the sun is coming from. That side the sun is coming from is the east. So enter your room, check four corners of your room, look for that side of your room that face that side of the east when you're outside. Be facing that side anytime you want to pray. They are the energizers. East remain east. Because some of you that will be asking me, this prayer must we be doing it when there is sunshine? No. Remember, our Muslim brothers, whenever they want to pray, they face the east, whether there is sun or not. So, for you, always facing the east. Yes. If you are doing it in open compound, your neighbors might be accuse you of being fetish thing. So it can, even if you are inside the room, it will still go. Look for what is called Ojugo. Raise it up. Call upon your chi, your guardian angel, your spiritual forces. Call them ezumezu ka ha raba ọra mmụọ niile ndị na-emere gị ihe na ndị na-emere ihe. Ụmụ mmụọ ndị gị na ha nwere ka ekwuru na ụwa mmụọ. Na gị nwa bụ onye dị etu a, call your name, mention your name. The spirits want to hear your name. Mention your name, that you are here to appease them. We are here for you and them to be on the same page. All those entities of powers going about doing good. After praising them, ask them for forgiveness and rest of them. Then do petitioning. Tell them what you want them to do for you. After that, tell them that this cola you came with, they should break it and share it among themselves. Yes. Tell them this Ojugo Ebia. Tell them this Ojugo to tap that blessing of Uga etuberu na mmụọ. Gwa na Uga na mbụ n'enu na awe etuberu na mmụọ. Because those good things you are seeing in the dreams is Ugo. Tell them that Uga etuberu na mmụọ nature of Uga if one mother. Imesiah, we wrote that to after saying all the prayers. Tell them what you want them to do for you. Tell them that you will come back to thank them, what you do for them if they answer your prayers. After that, take that to Ojugo. If you can get, if you are not in your compound, then meaning that you take it outside. Then look for any road that is maybe 3 junction, 4 junction, anyone. If you cannot see those junctions, you can even put it on the road where people pass. Yes. After that, use that cola to turn it, hover it above your head 4 times. Present them for market days. Tell them that they should break this cola and share it among themselves. Now, they should give you life and give you what goodness of life, what will help you to live your life to the fullest. After praying, then go and drop that cola. It shall be well with you. Now, if the dreams you had is negative one, still face the east. Call your name. Tell them that this is large on Lelo, the Choroko will be a misu. Natalia, Yeji, your chaw, here the Kahendo. I don't know what other chicks over William, or go and look for egg. Tell them that Now, this negativity, effort, and no, it will never be your portion. That whatever guilt, whatever negative things, ihe ọbụla na-achọ ndụ gị n'ihi na-enye gị ihe dị ndụ iji wee gbara isi onwe gị mesịa were data uriem ahụ ma ọ ọkụkọ ọ bụ na ịnwetara uriem ọ bụ na ịnweta abụ nwoke abụ nwaanyị, like those ones that can differentiate whether they are male or female. Use it to over your head 4 times. Tell them n'iji ihe dị ndụ wee na-agbara isi gị na ejiri ọnwa adịbe eme mgbọrọgwụ na ihe anwụchukwu na ihe efuchu na ihe a, that spirit of death, that spirit of disappointment, that negative spirit that is after you, that you are giving them what a living thing in exchange of your own life. You don't hear in exchange of your life. After praying, you pray. After that, if you have egg, if you can get native egg better, yes, use it to pray. That egg, I'm not know okay, more wine, male or female chicks inside. That n'iji akwa wee na-eze ha iwe mmụọ ọbụla na-ewere gị iwe na-ebute nseke ma ọ bụ na-emeghị ihe amụsụ ma ọ bụ mmụọ ọbụla negative spirit ya ebutere gị ihe ma ọ bụ ndị na-achọ ndụ gị na-aja ka ị na-achụpụrụ ha. Yes, na-etu akwa si awa na-etu as this egg is breaking, that you want every those negative things to break into pieces. Let them be shattered into pieces. Now, if you can get where you break it in your place, fine. If you cannot get it, use it over it 4 times over your head. Go for any road, either straight road, 3 road, junction, or 4. Then smash it. You can do it morning, afternoon, and night. Don't fold hand when you saw those negative dreams that will destabilize you. You have to do the work when the decision is shown to you in the dream, meaning that this thing has been what is going on or determined in the spiritual realm. That you mention your name, the spirit want to know your name. That you are cancelling those things, that they will never happen. That those things not for you. Make declaration once. You begin to make declaration. And as you're making that declaration, so shall it be. And make sure, finally, I'm rounding up. Finally, make sure you keep your hands clean. Don't be on equal yoke with unbelievers. Don't dwell in negative lifestyle. It will destroy you. Best of same feather flocks together. Make sure you are not a planner. You are not in agreement. You are not in a gang up to go against whoever that will not offend you. Never you do that, because doing that is mortgaging your future. Don't engage yourself in any form of pull him down syndrome. No, because when you are planning to pull another person down, it will come boomerang to you. Note that dreams is not evil. Note whenever you are seeing those negative dreams, do something. You that have been dreaming good thing about of life, good thing of life, and they never come to manifestation, do this ritual I ask you to do with Oju. It shall be well with you. It shall be well with you, you that are under the influence of my voice right now. I am sure that this message fell because of some certain people. And the Kahara Bundini now will see Ajimaka however. It shall be well with you. As you are hearing this, my voice, always keep your thought pure. Keep your thought pure, keep your volition pure, keep whatever you are doing pure, keep your hands pure. It will help you during the challenging times. You need to be strong within you. You need to clear your spiritual arena. Those things that are showing you the dreams is to tell you that all is not well. Don't keep quiet. If you don't know, still not know what to do, feel free to still chat me on WhatsApp. I will always guide you. That is why I'm here. My mission is actually to help people live better life. You and I, again, before I round up, I have already advised you to have a mentor. Very important. You must have a spiritual mentor that's guiding you. When I started my journey, I used to have a spiritual director that guided me till I became of great mind. I matured to a certain level that the bandage has fallen from my eyes and my vision has been well explained to me. And I understood that, and I understood it very well. Let us pray. Number you will get me with is remains 0805 78 37 672. 0805 78 37 672. Look at your screen, you see it. Then let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dịghị ihe siri m ike nke Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụgbuo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya, ya gazie. May the blessing of Chukwu oke pụrụ ime ihe niile be with you all. May you be protected, may you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gazie. Udo dịrị ọnụ.